Abusia for her attention TV so bibi akwaba ede eba so ensem a etwego e woni social and in media so anenne matombo asemfo asemu a wode ama mesemefa embesomo e attention TV so e kam yakọ se ensem ba ko mienu bi epp e di free deportee camp eba na obia anti deportee e obia na oye juma edema Shatta Wale aine na yene nim se emre bia Shatta Wale eko ankafo na deportee enso so eka ho ono so ekopie mu bi ewo ankafo na kamekoye se Shatta Wale epie no ono ko ane pie ye se ne workers ne bia deportee eka ho ananka wose woboa na omasem no etwa so no wa moa ama na anya sana sisi ano sto wasem no eda so ewo court asete Shatta Wale de wonya no ho ana wonya ni ti ede didim na we ana camp of deportee for wo chire ma chire se kam yakoye se Shatta Wale no secrets away na le Shatta Wale and nye no ho mode anase wan boni ho mode anase wan kana no antum na de bi osan super social media be kan kwasasem sebe na osan so de deportee atempa de ne secret awadi be pie no ebe se ne heaven ene form anase heaven ovu so be mpa de asese no epie ba ko se class 2 teacher wo kire abc de busia ye be ko ne akotie ensem a deportee camp fo binumo e de ya beto dwa wo kire ma kire se wo de kwa ma Shatta Wale hwe na ombo na brabo yi anya sa pa de se we pie no Ghana memu ha sei no onsene ha yenko tie wo mo embra.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough. Shatta, enough is enough. Why are you such a bully? Why are you such a bully? I saw a video. You are saying say deportee say we miana no a obema girl na nka o rape no akọ report it. Shatta Wale, one kasa no wone Burna Boy nya issue. You came online say enunti na o rape ne girlfriend. Girl now o UK no. Wo kind. That's what you said. Inti enyame wanwa say enipa wone ne nam no. Wo so ono so akọ rape. Na wo rape no so rape wo sua firi wo ha. Afide wo so be ma girl na akọ report it. Shatta Wale, you have to be grateful, kakra. People have dedicated their life to career. Omo ba life mono, all the things you have acquired no. When crane we emu kota. All the stars are omo abuche, the people who follow them no, they make sure say they put them on. Because if you don't put them on as Robel, you are a star. You have been a star for about almost close to 10 years now. You have never been robbed. But guess what? They are not that well off. You don't pay them. You don't have them on a payroll. Me a show say right now, deportee or that's Tinima. Now what does it make sense any pana would do a chair o kuni wama ono or that's what tinima na wote transako anase East Legon. See, Ghana 4 stars, you take advantage of people who put their lives on the line for you. Mumu huni say any panom a privilege so no nam. But say on one namwa will people also follow you? On one nama would you feel that protection? Would you get it? Me, I blame deportee because after what happened the first time, no, minim adekuntia or sa call back. If this thing is not a hype, not say you're real, then Shatta Wale, you need to put a stop to it. Or more, would or mudi wachi eye we juma dia dru baby o dru no. Ask yourself, say, do you have them on a payroll? Sankofo o mo yire enema. Say Ujanyom to naso muja wachi dia retirement plan ben or more. Do they have any retirement plan? Ask yourself, stop being ungrateful.
Adaji ni puso. Yen kejemu adaji ni puso. Mamu say normal air between Shatta Wale and our deportee Idris Yusuf. Before no, a Sida and a SSCU. Shatta Wale and Idris Yusuf, I friend deportee. But as somewhere no, me share said the assembly corner. I don't blame anybody. Me blame Shatta Wale, but I blame Idris Yusuf deportee on me blame no. Obebusa said, I don't think I say blame Idris Yusuf. Idris Yusuf ye zongo ni. Ye na ye nim say ye zongo 40. Zongo ni oni hwe kura na nya na koma o. Zongo ni oni kapre, oni hwe oni botum. Na nya na koma wallahi sumatallahi wallahi ni zongo ni oni hwe kura na o saade no. But Idris I feno deportee no. Minim zongo baby o free. Yeso enima ni. Nima so ye full zongo. Nima a first class zongo. But the guy who came from Nima, tell bia uma yedi woni me fon de. Me dwene ho a me menti ase, honestly speaking. And eduro ba ju so a atrema. Se eduro e ba ti nipa a atrema. Eduro a oba no. Na o se nye eduro pa. But eduro ba ju wa wonu ba ko pe. Wo se afi ho start sane o. No wa start nya vitamin A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Ubenya vitamins ni na ubody mu. Years back, ye na hu say eye Shatta Wale ene Idris Yusuf Idris ya. Enya ntokwa. Ema Shatta Wale be ka no abonten obi hu say Idris awia ne cement. Idris ewia ne cement ekọ wiase nyina Idris obia hu na cement obia hu na ni poster say be bi obi post na de dia edia na e defend ye cement edia na e defend ye cement na di part mo go ni ma sit to the stand say go ni ma sit to the 0 degree 0 Sabeta frache. Sa Shatta Wale kwa na mani pa nkwa ka Idris. Why na betima tu fu se one Shatta Wale nsanko na ntibio. Yusuf Idris. Sa Shatta Wale kwa na mankwa. Mani pa enanti wo wiase. Without Shatta Wale unya nkwa. Why na betima tu sa fu se go and work with Shatta Wale again. Idris, I'm sorry to say this, but you are stupid. I'm sorry to say this to you, but you are stupid. Or you've been stupid. Baby, I want to you ni mase. Enipa adia eye ni guasie wo wiase ni se. Yakasa wo ye kronfo. Ye de krono esusu ana se yakasa wo bo krono. Eni guasie a ebi nie etese. Eni guasie last. But Shatta Wale ma wiase na hu se wo what be wia the cement. And you were able to go back to him. So Shatta Wale ma tell you kra wo na uko prisoner me nyam wanwa. Why? Adeti na me sa baka da zuciya. Wallahi baka da zuciya. Inda kana da zuciya ne ko Shatta Wale ke ba mutu rai. Wallahi ke baka koma wurin shi. And again no enya wo deportee nko na wo Shatta Wale na mo. But I think deportee, I will say so you are not a smart guy. Honestly speaking. Because as deportee is smart, so smart and intelligent. Deportee, you don't have to follow Shatta Wale nko say who di ne chi Shatta Wale na ema osika, Shatta Wale na nye say. Let's all look at Kumoji. Only Shatta Wale na mo. But Kumoji oye na adie, he's doing his own thing on the street. Kumoji only Shatta Wale na mo. But monche no ma Shatta Wale tibidie omo budi na chi nyina no. Ma wo so de bia di Kumoji da. Because Kumoji a chese Oluwa Bema, he's a man of his he's a man on his own. He go out on the street or hustle enya make you own money. Eti only Shatta Wale na be kwa a friendship. Ana okọ ba bia no person obi ene ne kwa na Kumoji no alidi omo na omukọ. But ofiri ho a okoye na dwuma nya ni sika. Shatta Wale toma amanfo otoka ka be no toma amanfo ba ko mojo yisu Range Rover o yisu Range Rover on tani Range Rover papam Shatta Wale betima to Range Rover amakomoji ontimi but onene namas friends. But look at you now. Yusuf Idris, you still babonti kamene wa Shatta Wale you bibi kwa ni kwa so be kan wa I swear to God eso ka wa nutum because one or what choose sa jeni na wo mu no go ko ni mase same tiwo kama na me Samuel med nami na Samuel med ama wiase ne hu se nante a me ne nante a sebeta fracha oboabo me wo no ma bi nkakaka na Samuel med pia bonte abeka se Kamal kromfo wi ame no ogube ni ma se am wiase ne hu se me kromfo na ade achi na Samuel med aba na opeso osa ne nante bi na me ne konante a me agimi fo automatically because any wiase bi ni wa chese Sese kumoji say
I would say University Foundation and as some as na me djumedie ever some attention TV show ane Deportee camp for in sema wonso wachichire ya wo de brega na fo ne Shatta Wale no ana ene ye de abeso mo e attention TV so ye ma monitor monihwe ye da se